I've been getting them done like frequently. But baby, please. So I used to get my nails done. I got them done like when I think before I started having kids. And after the kids came, them nails went out the window. So I'm still stuck on the back in the day price. So people told me $80 for some nails.
Yeah, it's all based on like
what you get on
the length. It starts with the length,
and that's why I won't be doing none of it.
It starts with the length, and then it goes to your design, and then don't get no freehand. If you get freehand art, then that's extra. Your stones will be extra.
Yes. And if it's gel or if it's regular, right?
Yeah, typically most nail techs just do gel because it's quicker, so we don't do regular unless it's requested.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Or based on the design you're getting. Like if you do a water marble, then I would do regular polish. So it just kind of depends, and then you go from there.
You could be easily paying $100.
Yeah, you got. Then
yeah, because look at all them rhinestones. It's very detailed.
Yeah, and plus your time. The nail takes time, you know. So,
yeah, you gotta get paid for what you do.
Yeah,
but I just not. I don't want to pay $100 for nails. Not I say. I mean,
I get it.
I would like to get my nails done. But
why don't you do this? Why don't you try it one time and then be like, see if it's worth it, you know, because you have to kind of think about it, like analyze really analyze everything that they're doing, right? Try it one time, because honestly, that's what made me go to nail tech school.
Crystal,
huh?
I already have the experience. You do all kinds of stuff on my nails that should cost more money. What about a French tip? See, I like French tips. That ain't no lot of money. That's cheap, right?
If it's freehand, it might be a little bit more.
What do you mean freehand?
Meaning if they have to use a nail art brush. So like.
Well, is that how they do the French tips?
Yeah, or they can use stickers. There's multiple ways. You put that in the lamp.
Oh, yeah. I don't have time for it. They better get it together. I appreciate it. That's just not what I have on my budget for that.
Understood.
I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just saying.
No. I wasn't taking it as you.
I appreciate your work. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate that y'all come to me, and plus, like I said.
That's because I don't really go to nail shops, so I don't know
Yeah.
I don't like the nail shop, to be honest.
I mean,
I feel like the people don't help you. And maybe that's not true of all of them.
Well, yeah, I don't think it's true of all of them, but I think for me, the reason why I stopped going is because of the cleanliness, the sanitation. Like, I've never really paid attention to that until I went to nail school. Like, they use the same buffing block on everybody.
Yeah,
they use the same sanding band on everybody. They use the same nail file on everybody. And you think about it, like, what if somebody had a cut? What if somebody had a fungus?
That's true.
You just transferring that to the next person.
That is so true.
Yep. And even for your feet, do they clean the basin bowl? Do they change the pumice stone?
Now they some of them got the thing that they put the little
The liners on. Yep.
they should have been had that on.
Put that in there.
If you think about it, that would have been more sanitary.
Yeah. So I mean, it just all kind of depends, you know. Like it's just a lot, and you also get the experience from the shop that you are at. Like also, my clients get a chance to come to the comfort, not knowing, you know, I clean up behind everybody, so they get to know that they have a comfort of being in my chair and know that it's clean in here.
Yeah, you do be cleaning. It's like nobody gets hands.
And I don't. Even if it was COVID or not, I still don't have time for it.
Well, I appreciate that.
COVID, no COVID. Germs is germs. But COVID really heightened everything.
Oh yeah, but it be germs. Stuff be nasty all the time. Like elevator buttons, you'd be surprised all that stuff be so gross.
Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. So I know we're already deep into this video, okay? So I just decided to add a little bit of audio from my clients. We typically talk about a lot of stuff, but she's actually getting ready to move. So this is actually her last set with me. She is getting ready to move to Tennessee. So if you guys know any nail techs in Tennessee, drop down below. Send me a DM on Instagram so I can send my sister your way. I'll definitely have to find out where she's closest to. But however, if you still know who is in Tennessee and who wouldn't mind taking over my duties from my sister-in-law, let me know. But yeah, so we decided to go with a flower French tip design. So as you probably already heard, she loves flowers. So we decided to go with this sticker, and I chose to place the stickers in more of a French tip pattern, just to kind of give it some depth, meaning give it something more than just regular French tips. So that's what we decided to do when I took this sheet of stickers that are so beautiful. So I decided to use those, and I added a little bit of those green stems or leaves inside of the design as well, just to make sure we had a pop of color and to try to make it look a little bit more realistic. So that is pretty much this design. So I am going to be applying these stickers in random patterns, and then I'm going to apply the top coat, shape up a little bit, and get rid of the excess stickers, and then she'll be set to go. So this design was really easy, and actually these are her natural nails, so she does not have any tips or anything like that. So these are her natural nails. It started off as tips, but then we cut the tips down, and now she just gets an overlay. So yeah, so hopefully you all enjoy this video. I pretty much explained everything. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so that way you never miss a video. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at IamBiscuit7. And as always, thank you so much for your love and support. Make sure you stay safe and make sure you love on your people, okay? And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.